you already had a property in mind. So, the typical process when somebody is looking at properties and, before they start looking at homes, they go through a pre-approval process.
Correct.
Right? So that process includes, for the most part, for people that are, citizens, or they're here on, they have a green card or they have a visa, for traditional financing. So we're talking about the Fannies and Freddies and those types, and jumbo loans. Traditionally, it's full documentation. Right? And what we're looking at are tax returns, we're looking at pay stubs, we're looking at, just traditional sources of income and assets. And this was completely different because we're qualifying off of the debt on the actual property compared to the rental income, right? So there's a term called DSCR, which is debt service coverage ratio. And really the objective is to make sure that the projected rental income exceeds the monthly payments on the home, right? And that's the main qualification. And because you're from Germany, you live in Germany, you certainly have income, you have assets, but it's not US based, right? No. So it was a little different. And the way that, it was a little bit of a leap of faith because we went off your personal balance sheet that you produced, right? Which gave me that confidence that, okay, we can make the offer, but we're now going to have to go and find a particular investor to find a home for your loan. So a little non-traditional, but I mean, we made it happen.
We made it happen. We made it happen. And Ron, again, I just want to show my appreciation to your audience. And, I'm just doing a little plug here, but I've been so impressed with Ron Bruno here, how he has put together the whole financing aspect of this transaction, which, like you said, it is inherently complicated because I'm based in Germany, and I'm interested to go into properties in Texas, and I've started doing that actually half a year ago. I bought 2 properties in Austin already. And maybe we can say that it's chance, whatever, but I was kind of directed at looking at Dallas properties, and ho and below, I connected with a great realtor in Dallas, Ian, our common friend now. And basically Ian from Briggs Freeman, and he said, well, you've got to get your ducks in a row. That was the day before Mother's Day.
Right.
Before we put in an offer, we need you to have some sort of pre-qualification, some sort of pre-approval.